For hundreds of years, the prevailing idea of where planets reside in the universe has always been that planets are only found in the solar systems. That line of thought was unchallenged until the year 2000, when the first rogue planet was discovered by the UK team, Lucas and Roche. But what is a rogue planet?
Well, to start off, the term rogue planet is only one of the many names for these planets, and in scientific papers, they are referred to as isolated planetary mass objects or free-floating planets. Simply put, a rogue planet is a planet that exists outside of any solar system, or in other words, is not gravitationally bound to any star. Within the last 2 decades, our knowledge of rogue planets has increased dramatically. Our very first discoveries were of planets the size of Jupiter, and in some cases even larger. However, with the discovery of smaller rogue planets, scientists from NASA and Osaka University in Japan estimate that our galaxy could be home to trillions of rogue planets. That number is 20 times more planets than there are stars in our galaxy.
Rogue planets seem to be found more abundantly in sizes similar to Earth rather than in large masses, like those of the Jupiter-sized rogues. The Nancy Grace Roman telescope, built by NASA and set to launch in 2027, has a goal to find these rogue planets, and scientists are predicting that the telescope could find hundreds of Earth-sized rogue planets. While there are many questions that scientists have about these rogue planets, one of the most prominent questions is, can these planets support life?
Since these planets are so far away from a star, it's considered unlikely that these planets could support life as we know it. This doesn't mean it's completely impossible, despite the harsh environments of these planets. It's theorized that some planets could have liquid water, either through a combination of a hydrogen-helium atmosphere and internal heating from the planet's core, or if the planet has a moon, the tidal forces of the moon could warm the planet through the gravitational pulling enough to prevent all the water from freezing. Considering that liquid water is one of the factors we consider necessary for life, these planets could potentially harbor life, though it is ultimately very unlikely. However, even if rogue planets cannot harbor life, they are incredibly helpful to scientists who are looking to better understand the mechanisms of planetary formation, both in and outside of a solar system. Current studies even suggest that some of these rogue planets are failed stars, but answers to all of these questions and theories will come in time thanks to the efforts scientists are putting into their experiments, studies, and soon the Nancy Grace Roman telescope. Thank you.